welcome to the session, all of you. Hi Mohammed Adi, welcome to the session. I hope you are doing good. Hi PHRG, welcome to the session. I hope you are doing good. Hi Alicia, welcome to the session. I hope you are doing good. Hi everyone, all of you, welcome to the session, guys. I hope you all are doing super good at your ends. Hi Mohammed Nadeem, hi, welcome to the session. Hi Arunima, thanks for joining in the session. Hey Naveen, thank you for coming here. Hi, hope you are doing good. Very good evening Ashutosh, very good evening. Hi Ashim Food Products, hi. Hi Pankaj. 21Q, please go to Sandeep Maheshwari show. Thank you, thanks a lot for thanks a lot over here. I'm very good, Mohammed Nadeem. Thanks a lot for asking. I hope you are doing good. Hi Soumya. Hi Kirti. Hi Om. Most welcome Kashifa. Thank you to you too for joining the live stream. 21Q, sure. Thank you. Thanks a lot for letting me know. Thank you. I'll try at my end. Thank you. Hi everyone, guys. Hope you all are doing super good at your ends. And yeah, thank you. Thanks everyone for joining up this live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. Hi Krishna. Most welcome, Muhammad. Yash, thank you. Hi Yash, first of all, and thank you. Thanks a lot for asking. I'm super good. Thank you for asking out. Hi Mohammed. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay. Very good evening, Bharti. Very good evening. I'm here with lots of expectations. So it will be sorted out and you will respond. Yeah, sure, Ashutosh. Whatever the questions you are having up at your end, you can please put down all those questions for me over there, and I'll be really happy to answer all the questions for you over there. Okay, you can please put that down. Hi Vamsi, welcome to the session. So great everyone, good to have you all over here. We will be making up a cool Python project over here today. Okay, with the help of some Python libraries and some Python functions and everything over there. अख्तार मैम, आपने कहाँ पे डेटा साइंस का कोचिंग किया था? अख्तार फॉर मी जो भी मैंने आपको कोर्स किया था, जो मैंने एक्चुअली कोर्स लिया था, करेंटली वो मार्केट में इतना अवेलेबल नहीं है. ठीक है, जिस टाइम पे मैंने किया था उस टाइम पे मार्केट में अवेलेबल था, बट अभी करेंटली नहीं है. तो जैसे ही वो अवेलेबल हो जाता है मैं आप सब लोग को बता दूंगी कि विच कोर्स आई हैव टेकन, मैंने कौन सा कोर्स डेटा साइंस पे किया था. ठीक है, जैसे होगा आई टेल यू ऑल. Very good evening Himanshu, and thanks for joining me here for the live stream. Great everyone. So yeah, we'll be making up a cool Python project over here today with some Python libraries, some Python functions. But before that, I'll tell you currently what is going on to the channel. So onto the channel, which is Fun with Data Science. So on Monday we are having up your generalized videos, like as in how you can do freelancing, how you can start earning at an early age, the ways to coding and everything like that we are having. Tuesdays are the compilation of videos. Currently statistics series is going on for the videos compilation. Next Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays we have your DSA with Python, data structures and algorithms with Python programming language. Okay, so there the DSA, I teach in the DSA with the help of Python for your cracking up your FANG companies and even your MNCs. Right, Saturdays are your live streams, and Sundays you have some informative shorts which I upload up every Sunday. Right, so this is what all is going currently onto the channel for the 1 week over there. Right, and yeah, into this live stream I will be making up a super cool Python project. It's not gonna be very difficult, sort of. Also I will be simply, see, we have used up tkinter a lot right now. Up till the time, the people who have attended my live streams regularly, they are very much aware that how tkinter works and what are the steps for the working of the tkinter, right? So now it's the time that we can actually explore some more Python libraries also, which we have up into the Python packages, right, which we have up over there. So all of these respective things should also be explored. So today we will be making up a sort of a very small app with the help of Python, and that is going to be your notification reminder app. So see what happens that generally if we have to do something, many times we forget that things, right? We just we have to set in some reminders, and if we have forgot some of the things over there, so we need something reminder sort of thing to put up. So what if we make our own notification reminder that will help us to remind at a respective sort of time that this thing has to be done or that respective thing has to be done. That is what is your notification reminder. So what I'll help you out with, we'll be coding this over here live today into this live project, and I'll help you out guys with the same building up of your own notification reminder app. Okay. अख्तार मैम, आप मुझे क्या कोर्स सजेस्ट करोगे फॉर बिगिनर्स? अख्तार, फॉर बिगिनर्स आई सजेस्ट अ कोर्स टू यू. You can go to any respective edtechs which are currently into the market, okay, or you can just take out any current course from there, any other respective data science courses which you suit to your budget also, and which is covering up all of the topics for you also. Okay. Yeah, sure, let's start it. Let's start it out. Coding session, ma'am, why don't you come daily and do live streams? Why only once in a week? Okay, coding Shiksha, it's all about not availability of that much of time currently, because I have some other tasks which I'm involved in, right? And just because of those tasks, I'm not able to come every day live. But yeah, sure, I'll plan that soon, and sure you'll see me live every day. Okay, so yeah, I'll plan that at my end, and will inform you all. But yeah, thanks for the suggestion a lot. Akhtar ma'am, please, okay, ma'am, please, okay, I done. Yash, how to join a good company for students who are from tier 3 data analyst or data scientist? See, Yash, मैंने already data scientist का या data analyst का I have put in the roadmap onto my roadmaps playlist, which is onto the channel only. You can go over there, check out the roadmap for your data science and data analyst. Then you can start learning those stuff, do some internships, make some cool projects, and yeah, that's what is needed. Practice a lot as much as you can. Okay, let's get started up here, guys. List questions I'll be answering up in a very short while. So let's proceed on with your notification reminder app, which we will be making up today. So first thing which I need to import up is your time module. When I say module, so module means that you do not need to install this onto your devices. There are two things which are to be done. One is installation, one is not the installation, right? So if we're talking about your installation, so at that sort of time, those are your packages or those are your libraries which you need to install. But if we're talking about your modules, so those are not at all needed to be installed out. So time is one of the modules. So it means you do not need to install that onto your device. You can just simply write import time and it will work out for you. Okay. Next I'm going to write that from Plier, I'm going to import up the notification. Okay. Now Plier, what it is? Plier is one of the respective I'll say the libraries which we have up over there. Okay. What if I go to the terminal over here, just a minute for this terminal, and I'll write one command which is pip install PLYER. This is the command for installing a Plier library onto your device. So everyone, either you can open your terminals or you can take your command prompts also and write over there about the installation of the library. So pip install Plier and hit out enter. Okay. Now into that respective one, the requirement is already satisfied because for me I have already installed that onto my device. But if you haven't installed that at your end, it will take in some time and it will install it for you. Okay. Great, that's the answer from Plier. I'm importing up the respective module, which is the notification module. Fine, all done. So if everyone, can you people help me out? Am I clear with these two steps to all of you about the libraries which we'll be using up into this respective project? Ashutosh ma'am, can I put this project in my resume? Ashutosh, yes. Actually, you can put, once I have built out this project, I'll help you out how you can modify this project, how you can make this more good. Then after making it much more good, you can put it up onto your resume. Sure you can. Okay. Okay, hi Didi, I'm Omveer. Glad to have you over here, Omveer. Rahul, okay, yeah, it's Pranam Rahul. I'm not very good at Hindi, so I'll say hello. Which ideal? Okay, so it's so Mansa. It's Mansa. I'm using the ideally, which is your pycharm. Pycharm. Okay, pycharm. I'm using it. Okay, Rahul. Thanks for the confirmation. Thanks, PS Raji, for the confirmation. Thank you, Yash, for the confirmation. Thanks, guys. Okay, that's done. Now we are having up a main function in Python. That is if underscore name is equal to underscore main. This is a sort of a main function which we have in Python. Now listen me very carefully what this main function does. See, many times it happens that we have put in the name of one of the respective file as something. Right, now it might happen that this particular file, you are having up some other name also for the same file or something like that. Right, so at that sort of end, this main function, what it will do, it will help you out to just simply put in up the respective name for you at your end, and it will help you not to access this particular code at your end. Okay, this is what is this respective main function doing for you, right? So it's all about that same thing, that with the help of this main function, what will be done, if I am having up a file which is, let's say, noto file, right? It might happen that the same name is into other file, or it might happen the variables which I am going to use up into this particular file, those variables are in some other file also. It might happen, that's very obvious, right? So now at that sort of time, what this main function will do, whatsoever the variables I have into this particular file, it will help me to run these many only. It will not help me, it will not go and get me other variables from other respective files and then run it. No, whatever I have into this module or this particular file, it will run only and only those for you. So that is what is this particular main function doing up over here. Right, so I hope I am pretty clear with this particular thing for all, that what is the main function doing for all everyone at this end. After this, I'll start on with one of my conditions, which is my while condition. Right, now when I want something to run as an infinite loop. Infinite loop, I hope you all understand that when I start with one point and go up to the other point, so there is no such condition where my loop will fail or something like that. Right, so I'll just try to run it up till infinite times. So that is where your while true condition will come up into the place, right? I want that to run up till infinite loops, and that is where this respective thing I had put in, which is your while true condition. Right, so this is all about which I wanted to put up over here, my main function and my while condition. Am I clear with both the stuffs, that why am I using and what is the reason for the using up of these both the things over here? Am I clear with that to everyone? Okay, most welcome आंसर राहुल. मुझे कॉम्पिटिटिव कोडिंग फिर से शुरू करनी है, फिर बार में अच्छा नहीं कर पाया था. सजेस्ट मी गुड वेबसाइट फ्रॉम वेयर आई कैन स्टार्ट विद. I am using GFG at present, and how much practice I can share it in my resume. See, Rahul, for doing any of the competitive programming, the way is ki you can actually refer up any of the websites of your choice, as in I would say whatever the currently the mic you're using GFG, and that is okay, right? See, it's all about that how much can you practice, right? How much, or different websites you can practice in and the thing. Just allow me a minute, everyone. Just get me a second. Okay, yeah, fine, everyone. So yeah, I was talking all about your this particular question by Rahul about the competitive coding, right? So competitive coding, that question was all about ki it's just that ki, see, you can start with any respective website of your choice, okay, of your choice, like as in you can take any of those about you. If you're using GFG also at the current time, it's all good, right? Not a worry, you can use that at your end. But it's just that you can take any website, but keep on practicing as much as you can. Fine, that is only one thing which you have to keep up into your mind while doing the competitive programming, and rest all is all good, right? Nothing can like it's all just not about website, it's all about how much practice you are doing up over there. Rahul, it's like that you should solve as much questions as you can when you are confident enough at your end that okay, I am able to solve up the questions, and now I'll be able to solve up all the questions. You are good to start with your respective putting up that thing into your resume. Okay, you are good to do that. Prateek, can you please brief about what's the program for today? Sorry, missed the beginning. Okay, Prateek, the program for today is we are going to make up a notification reminder app. It's a very short sort of a program. It is a notification reminder app which will help you to actually give the notifications based over that. Let's say next 1 hour you want to do this, next 2 hours you want to do this, next 3 hours you want to do this. So it will help you to get notified onto your laptops or onto your desktop only, to whichever you are making the project, so that you can stay up to date to your work and everything. Okay, Mansa, this is my first time I'm commenting in your YouTube channel. That's for sharing ideally name. Thanks for sharing information like this and keep doing lots of respect towards you. Thank you, thanks a lot, Mansa. Thanks a lot for coming here. Abhay, hi, so YouTube channel today. I'm Chris. Thank you for such help. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot, Abhay. Thanks a lot for that, and most welcome for the same. Okay, great guys. Let's proceed in everyone. And now I'm going to use up this notification library which I have like simply taken above. So notification dot, and my function is notify. Okay, so notification dot notify bracket. You have to put in up a title over here for you. So title is okay, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. It's equal to sign. Title is, let's say I have to take a class. Okay, so I just write in that take or I just write, I just put a title live at 10 p.m. from fun with data science. Right, so let's say this is my respective title which I have put over here, that live at 10 p.m. from fun with data science. Let's say you want to put up this notification at your end. Okay, so you can just put in up a title, that what is the title, and live at 10 p.m. or I can just simply put the title as live at 10 p.m. It was too long. Rest I'll put in the message. Let's get down and let's put in up your message. Now title, so I told you that once my notification will come, what will be shown to us, right? Now I talking about your message. What message inside that particular notification you want? I want that I have to join the live stream at 10 p.m. from the fun with data science channel. Okay, let's say this is my respective I say message which I wanted to put in. I have to join the live stream at 10 p.m. from the fun with data science channel, right? So this is what is my message which I was requiring. So I just have wrote that message for me over here. So first of all, you need to give up a title. Okay, my title is live at 10 p.m. Then you have to give in up a message, that what is the message which you want to deliver up over here, that what is the respective one that you want to show up. Fine. So just get me a confirmation everyone. Am I clear up till this particular place to all of you about what has to be done? Prateek, sounds interesting. Yeah, Prateek, it's actually interesting and it's gonna be easy also. So not a worry in that case. Hey Ashwini, welcome to the session. Abhay, I want to take admission in artificial intelligence and data science. Can you help me with getting best college and how to explore in the field? See, Abhay, it's all about if you want to take the admission in this, what you can do, you can check out the curriculums for the different institutions or different respective your colleges, wherever you want to take in, right? You can check the curriculums for all those, and you can just once research at your end also that what are the different topics for AI and for data science, and if your respective that particular college is covering all the things properly in the curriculum, so yeah, you can go ahead with that particular thing. Okay, and how to explore in this field. Exploring about this field, Abhay, it's that first of all you have to understand that what is data science or what is AI, what are the skills needed in both the domains or the things like that you need to check out. Right, so for that what you could do, you can just simply like I have a special video which is roadmap, a roadmap playlist. Right, into that playlist you have the roadmaps about data science, AI, that what are these, what are the roadmaps, what are the skill, what are the job roles, everything. Right, so that is what you can do up over there, and that is where you can just simply check out about your interest and explore up these fields. Okay. What is your Insta ID? See, Instagram. Okay, so on Instagram I'm available with the name that is Shambhavi_Gupta4. I'll just write that here over the screen. Okay, so my Insta ID is Shambhavi_Gupta4. Okay, it's written over the screen, you can refer it out. Okay, gamer, you are new. Thank you. Thanks for joining in the live stream. Glad to have you here. Hi, okay, hi Ajay. Okay, it's Magar. Okay, it's Ghadi Magar. Fine. What about availability of live stream playlist? Yeah, the availability is there of the live playlist. You can just go over the playlist section. There is you'll just get in the live sessions playlist the name, right? You will just get the live sessions name of the playlist, and that is the playlist where you will be getting all of my live streams. Okay, you can refer that. Okay, gamer. Okay, fine. Ajay, nice. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Ajay. Gamer, I'm facing problem in typing hello world. So see, what you can do is that you can simply write the print statement. In front of that, you can write hello. Let me just tell you like that. Print. And here goes your hello world, like that. Okay, that's the respective formula, or sorry, that's the respective manner. How do you write this out? Okay. Ashwini, can you tell me how to find data for ML projects? Ashwini, ML projects data, it's all about, you can visit the website which is kaggle.com. Okay, they're into the kaggle.com. There are lots of data sets about the ML, about the data science and everything. So you can check those out, data sets, onto the kaggle.com, and you'll find that for you. Okay. PHRG, if study pandas library in Python, shall I do all queries pandas? What can be done in SQL? See, PHRG, it's all about that whatever the data you are having, those are stored onto a database. Okay, now you have to extract up the data from that databases. So in that extracting up of the data from the databases, you require up the SQL. Once you have extracted the database, checked it out for you, then you will take it to Python, then you will clean that data with the pandas, and then you will be analyzing it. So that is the whole procedure for the same thing. Okay. Let's design something which is better, CSE, AI, ML, or CSE data science BTech. See, it all depends upon your interest. If you're having a good interest in mathematics and stuff, so you can go with AI, ML. If you do not have a very much interest in mathematics, you can go with data science. Okay. But today I watched roadmap for data science and artificial. It can help me to know about the field. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, Abhi, for that. Ajay, I completed basics of Python. What I have to do for project level Python? See, Ajay, for project level Python, you can refer in some libraries. Okay, you can like learn about the libraries which we have in Python, and then you can start implementing those libraries and modules into your projects. Okay. Abhay, can I personally contact you for further help, please? Abhay, for contacting me, the way is my Insta ID is mentioned up over here onto the screen. I'll put my LinkedIn name, which is Shambhavi Gupta. You can connect with me over here anytime, and I'll be really happy to help you out for the same. Okay. Okay. Rahul, PHRG is still okay. Fine, Rahul. Pratik, which project you are doing? Pratik, we are doing a project of your notification reminder app. Okay. Pratik, see, for the membership programs, there are some different sorts of the levels which are over there, right? And for those levels, what are the things whatever are available with those levels? It's already mentioned up over onto those respective levels. Okay, so you can just go and check out those levels over there, and whatever the levels provide you with the thing they are mentioned, you can check those and refer that. Okay. Okay. Now let's proceed in our paper here further, guys. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna write time out. Time out means that for how much time do I want the respective notification to stay on to my screen, right? For how much time do I want my respective notification to stay up onto my screen? So let's say I wrote 10. So it means that 10 seconds, not minutes, not hours. Here the by default time is taken up into the seconds. So when I wrote timeout for my notification to stay onto my screen is 10, so it is referring that it is 10 seconds. Not 10 minutes, not 10 hours. Please make sure if you want that to stay for 10 minutes, multiply it by 6 so you will get that. Fine. So this is about the timeout, and getting down here I have time dot sleep. And sleep means that after how much time of interval you want this particular notification to come up over your screen. Let's say I want this to come over after every 15 seconds onto my screen. Here again the time is by default seconds. So I want it to every time come after 15 seconds onto my screen. So that is where I wrote time dot sleep, and that is your 15. So after every 15 seconds my notification will come onto my screen. It will stay for next 10 seconds, then it will disappear, then again after 15 seconds it will come onto my screen. This is what is the whole procedure that will be taking a place for this respective Python project. Okay, am I clear with this thing to everyone? Most welcome Ajay, Mansa. Hi ma'am, when I'm running this code below A5, B9, C, A plus B, print C, print, this is sometimes I flying gets, you can sometimes it shows me error. Can you help me if possible? Print underscore plus 12. Put that underscore in double inverted quotations, because like this you cannot put it up. Okay, please put it in double inverted quotations and it will work for you. Mansa. Abhay, most welcome. Abhay, PHRG, know my question. I shall make, okay. Shall I make all types of queries with pandas? Yeah, PHRG, you can make all the types of queries with pandas. That's good. Yeah, you can proceed with that same thing. It's all good, and that's the good procedure also. Yes, you can. Sony Sab, hi. I am non-math students. Can I pursue my undergraduate data science? Please reply. Yeah, absolutely you can pursue, because it is one of the fields which does not requires any of your technical background or anything like that. So yeah, obviously you can pursue that up over there for you. Yes, you can pursue. Okay, you can pursue up this data science at your ends if you're an like you can do that. Okay, eligible for that thing. Okay, Pratik, ma'am, you're not replying in a second. Pratik, actually I have a team who is handling my social medias, right? So I'll check that at my end once. Okay, I'll check it at my end. But Pratik, if you have any technical questions or anything like that, now I request you to please try to ask me those over the LinkedIn. Okay, that will be much more suitable, and that will be much more fast replying up of the questions. Fine. Okay, Mansa, hi, I'm running this code below, which is A5, B9, C, A plus B, print C, print underscore plus 12. Mansa, once check if you have written the correct program onto this chat box for me. And what I'll do is the time for running out this project of ours, which we have made up over here, right? So I'll just try to click over this run option. And see here what I got downside, I'm not sure. Okay, my camera, it might not be visible. Just a minute. Let me shift out this camera for me. Okay, now try to check in up after next 15 seconds. See, I just got a notification live at 10 p.m. I have to join the live stream at 10 p.m. for the Fun with Data Science channel. This came, it stayed up over here for the next 10 seconds. It will stay, this notification will stay like this only. Okay. Again after 15 seconds my notification came, and now again it is gonna stay up onto my screen for the next some time, right? Again my notification will come, and then again it will stay up onto the screen for the next respective time. So this is how, see, again it came. So this is how this respective project will work out for me. So this will keep continuing, it will keep running up until the time I will not terminate this up from here. right? Once I have terminated it, it will stop up at this particular place, right? So that is what is this particular notification reminder app which we have made up here over today. So it's just about now you can try converting this respective app into a GUI with the help of the tkinter library. Okay, you can convert it with the help of the tkinter library, and with the same you can proceed in app and you can do up the respective stuffs with this particular project, right? So rather it was a short project, but yeah, this was even a good one. You can just try using that into at your ends, and you can actually set that into your real life also. You can do that at your ends, and that's gonna be super awesome. Prince, can you explain decorators in Python? See, Prince, decorators are one of the methods which we use up in Python. It's especially used in for making up your special classes and the things, right? So whenever you want to mark up a respective class in Python, at that sort of time we use up these decorators for you. Okay, that is what it is. Okay, typewriter can only concatenate str, not into str. Yeah, that I was telling now. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll help you out with the last line. Let's say you have written this line that is print, and the print inside that you're putting underscore and you're doing plus 12, right? See, you have to convert this 12 also to the string. Put this 12 inside the double inverted quotations and put this also inside the double inverted quotations. Now if I comment this respective program for me, this one, okay, if I comment this out over here and if I run this respective thing, Mansa, I hope you are checking it out once. And if I run this out, see, now it's run. Now it is showing you underscore 12, right? So once or anytime whenever you are using up any of the respective methods for adding or concatenating anything, so try you are using either both the strings or both the integers. One integer and one string, it will not at all gonna work out at your end, right? So either use both the integers or use both the strings, and underscore is a string, we all know, because it is a special symbol. Fine. Abhay, in your playlist, can I get full data science course? Yeah, Abhay, you can first of all proceeding with the playlist for your Python, then your NumPy, then Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib. Then you can go with Tableau. Next you can go with SQL. Next you will be going with statistics and probability, and now currently machine learning is going on, so then you will be referring that machine learning. Okay. Okay, PHRG, at what point the program will stop? See, PHRG, it will stop once you had being done with your stuffs, or once you have actually, see, this will be, you will be terminating this at your end, right? Once you have terminated up this particular program, it will stop working. It will end up at that sort of time only once you have terminated it. Otherwise, there is one more way. In Windows, you are having up a scheduler software which is already installed in Windows, right? You can go over that scheduler and you can schedule this program for you. Now at whatever the time you have scheduled, it will automatically run and it will start generating you up the notifications. And at whatever time you have mentioned, it will stop, and at that sort of time it will stop giving up you the notifications whatsoever are there, right? So yeah, that can be done in can we make your program raise notification at a particular time? Pratik, raising up the notification at a particular time, yes you can. For that you will be again using up a time module, and you will be using a time.set function. Set function will help you to set in up a time that at this particular time I will want this notification to be raised, and it will do it for you. Okay. Pratik, okay, done. PHRG by using break. Yeah, with the help of the break function also you can do that. That's all sorted. Yes, you can use up the break function, and that sort of time it will stop, and it will stop in working. Abhay, thank you. How you tell with same sequence algo. Okay, sure, Abhay, and I'll really happy if you follow the same. Okay, thank you. Great, everyone. So whatever the project I was having in for you people over here today, I did that project. This was a very short project of the notification reminder, but rather we got to know about the learning of the and using up of your libraries, how you will be using this respective on at your ends. Now you can make this program project a resume ready project what you can do, you can just simply start on with working up of your converting it into the tkinter library. With the help of the tkinter, you can convert this a GUI app, right? And then you can simply proceed in with the same thing with the converting of the GUIs. You can start adding in more buttons like start the time, stop the time, repeat the notification in this much time, or setting in some time limits, or some things like that you can do up into this project, and you can make that a GUI and a resume ready project, right? So I hope you people follow up the same thing at your ends. Okay, most welcome Pratik, most welcome. Okay guys, so this project I had in for you people today, and that we did. I enjoyed making up this project with you all over here, and I hopefully answered all the. Can we use pyqt5? Yeah, PHRG, sure you can use pyqt5, absolutely done, you can use. Okay, not a worry. See guys, anytime you can use any library, it's just that key, what is your main aim to do, you just with that particular library, that main aim should be fulfilled in, and rather everything is all good, you can use that at your end. Okay, great. So guys, you can follow me on Insta. My Insta handle is Shambhavi _ Gupta 4. You can connect with me over LinkedIn, that is Shambhavi Gupta. Channel, I hope you all have subscribed, but if you haven't subscribed out the channel up till now, please go ahead very quickly and subscribe out my channel. And yeah, you can study DSA with me over this channel. It's coming on Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays for your placement series. You can follow that out, and if any questions, you can always put those onto the comment sections, and I'll be really happy to answer those out for you all. Right, so that's what all is over here. And yeah, so then I'll be ending up over here for this live stream today. So thank you so much everyone for joining up this live stream. Thank you everyone for being here. I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening, with some more new things and some more new projects for you all. Right, so till then, thank you everyone, and thanks a lot all of you for joining in the session. Thank you everyone, and take care, and bye bye everyone.